Hyundai Motor Company unveiled its newly designed IONIQ 6 and IONIQ 6N line. The facelifted model features more refined curves and enhanced proportions for a sleek and beautifully balanced silhouette. The new vehicle's elevated hood and extended shape, combined with the shark nose design, create a sleek profile that appears to slice through the air. The black garnish on the lower body extends to the doors, emphasizing the IONIQ 6 streamlined body. The previous generation vehicle's prominent spoiler has been removed, with the new IONIQ 6 featuring an extended ducktail spoiler to maintain aerodynamic performance while achieving a smoother, more refined silhouette. I'm a big fan of those new headlights that make it a real eye-catcher on the road. Tell me in your comments how do you like the car and do subscribe for more.